How to update the APD Mobile Solutions app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can update this app. So if you're facing some issues on the app, it might be because your app is not up to date. Get your app to update. You are gonna have to just go ahead and make sure that your internet connection is stable. Then you can just open your Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar and simply search for APD and hit enter. APD Mobile Solutions, ADP Mobile Solutions. Now you can just open the app, and if you see an update button here instead of open, you just need to tap on that to update the app to its latest version. As you can see, I don't have the update button, which means I already have the app up to date. But if you want to be sure that you've updated the app, you can just go ahead and uninstall the app here and then reinstall it again. This will make sure that the latest version of the app is installed on your device. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.